Here's a quick overview of how ZOLLER ID chips can help automating the process of presetter. So, nice and easy, we're going to load our tool in, just got our ID chip in the holder. Now we don't need to go fishing for any program cycles or anything like that. All we do is scan the chip, and the Pilot 4 software is going to pull in the last information for this tool and start the measuring cycle. So we're going to measure the gauge length, diameter, we're also measuring the run out on this tool, and then our second step is now coming to check the stick out length for the tool and the holder diameter. Once that's done, it asks us if we want to reset the tool life. So if this was a new tool, we set that to 0. If we press no, then it will continue from the last known tool life. We can reset it, override that information. We can now press F1 to send it across to the machine, or we use it for the zip code stations that are situated on the machine, where we can then scan it and then put it straight into the tool library. If there's any further questions around zip code ID, and if it's something that you think that could be right for your process, get in touch with ZOLLER UK and we can come and have a chat with you.